Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman, and I do want to acknowledge my co-sponsor, Mr. Paulson. I want to start out by talking about the fact that the discussion draft does not include or provide authority to the CFPA to write rules nor regulate insurance products. And so absent from the discussion draft is the regulation or rule writing for auto insurance, for life insurance, for homeowners insurance, things that are literally, in the case of auto and homeowners insurance, tethered to the lending activity. And the CFPA it was not structured to deal with the business of insurance. What my amendment does is really clarifies that and excludes some remnants of insurance products, a couple of them which are merely ministerial insurance products, from the discussion draft. It excludes from a jurisdiction under the CFPA title insurance, mortgage insurance, and credit insurance. Now, that doesn't mean that I don't think that insurance needs to be strongly regulated, but I think it needs to be strongly regulated by the state regulators. I know that as a consumer advocate, I fought for years and years against possible bad actors in the insurance industry, against redlining, against lack of safety and soundness, against bad rates. But the CFPA does not have authority, despite my amendment, to do anything about that. So I think that needs to be kept together. But under my amendment, and we're clarifying this, the CFPA would still have the authority to regulate lenders who misrepresent or abuse any of these products. For example, a lender would not be able to shove credit insurance on a borrower without telling them that it was voluntary. They would, and so the CFPA would still have a reach into the deceptive practices under current law, under Truth in Lending or RESPA, to make sure that the lending activity is transparent. And I've been working with Treasury, and my co-sponsor's been working with them to make sure that it is clear that the CFPA would retain authority to control the lending activities and to prevent lenders from promoting these deceptive products that were deceptive. And with that, I will temporarily yield. I would yield back.
It ain't temporary.